Global logistics is the backbone of international trade, connecting factories, suppliers, warehouses, ports, and consumers around the world. But today, the logistics industry is facing more challenges than ever before. From unpredictable disruptions to rising costs, companies must adapt quickly to stay competitive. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 challenges in global logistics today. Explained clearly and simply. If you work in supply chain, freight forwarding, shipping, or international business, these are the challenges you must understand. 1. Supply chain disruptions and unpredictability. The first major challenge is supply chain disruption. The global logistics network has become increasingly unpredictable due to factors such as geopolitical conflicts, natural disasters, port congestion, labor shortages, and unexpected global events. A single disruption in one link of the supply chain, whether at a port, a factory, or a border crossing, can trigger delays across multiple countries. We've seen examples like container shortages, vessel delays, unexpected lockdowns, and sudden regulatory changes. The biggest issue is that disruptions no longer happen once in a while. They have become more frequent and harder to predict. As a result, companies must invest in better planning, stronger partnerships, and more flexible transport options to mitigate risks. 2. Rising logistics costs. The second challenge is rising costs. Transportation costs have increased dramatically in recent years. Sea freight, air freight, trucking, warehousing, fuel prices, and labor expenses have all surged. When freight rates spike, sometimes doubling or tripling, it creates massive pressure on both exporters and importers. Even after global markets stabilize, operational costs remain high because logistics providers must manage more complex systems, higher demand, and increased compliance requirements. For businesses, rising costs mean reduced margins, tougher negotiations, and the need to choose partners who can offer efficient, optimized solutions. Cost management is no longer an option. It's a priority. Third challenge is capacity constraint. Even though global trade continues to grow, logistics infrastructure in many regions has not kept up. Ports are overloaded, warehouses are full, truck availability is limited. Air cargo space is often insufficient, especially for high-demand routes. In developing markets, road quality, rail systems, and customs processes may also limit how quickly cargo can move. These capacity issues lead to slower transit times, shipment backlogs, and difficulty securing space during peak seasons. For logistics companies, expanding capacity requires heavy investment in equipment, technology, and facilities. But demand continues to rise faster than infrastructure can be built. 4. Regulatory complexity and compliance pressure. The fourth major challenge is increasing regulatory complexity. International logistics now involves stricter documentation rules, customs regulations, environmental standards, and security requirements. Different countries require different paperwork. Border controls have become tighter. New rules for product safety, carbon emissions, and digitized customs are constantly being introduced. For shippers, this creates confusion, delays, and additional costs. For freight forwarders and logistics providers, it means more responsibility, more training, and higher risk of penalties if compliance is not perfect. Companies today must invest in expertise, updated systems, and reliable partners to ensure that every shipment meets the rules of every country involved. 5. Technology gaps and the need for digital transformation. The final challenge is the gap in technology adoption. While some logistics companies operate with advanced digital systems, many others still depend on manual processes, spreadsheets, or outdated tools. This creates slow communication, lack of shipment visibility, and errors across the supply chain. Customers today expect real-time tracking, fast documentation, automated updates, and predictive information. But not all logistics providers can deliver it. To remain competitive, companies must embrace technologies such as track and trace systems, digital freight platforms, cloud-based documentation, AI forecasting, warehouse automation, electronic customs processes. Digital transformation is no longer just an improvement. It is essential for long-term survival in the logistics industry. So these are the top 5 challenges in global logistics today. 1. Supply chain disruptions. 2. Rising logistics costs. 3. Capacity limitations. 4. Regulatory complexity. 5. Technology gaps. Every business involved in trade and transportation must understand these challenges to prepare, adapt, and build a more resilient supply chain. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more logistics and supply chain insights. Thank you for watching.